Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to change video resolution or video quality on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and as you can see right now we are on the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video, and if you can see this orangish color on it and you can see this camera icon inside the shutter button, it means that for sure we are on the video mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, and as you can see right here we've got the option video quality. So let's tap, and here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So right now we've got the FHD option applied. This option is obviously marked, but we can set also HD, VGA or CIF. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use, and all you have to do in order to actually change it is to simply tap on the one you'd like to set. So let me pick, for example, the VGA, and as you can see it is notified right here, and it means that after getting back to the video mode, then your device will immediately use the chosen quality to record the videos. So this is actually how to change the video quality, and I highly recommend to keep it on the FHD because this is the best one possible here. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution, video quality in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.